If you want to learn how to create this super cute Valentine's Day eye look, then keep watching. Step 1 is always priming. I'm using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. Once that concealer is set, you're going to go in with an angle brush and draw a little heart using a eyeshadow of your choice. Because it's almost Valentine's Day, I'm using a pink. But next up, you're going to go in with a really small fluffy brush and just start blending lighter shades of the same color next to the heart. The hardest part of this look is definitely getting a good blend while maintaining the shape of that heart. So you really want to make sure that you're taking your time, using a small brush, and just going back and forth with all of those shades. Once I was happy with how the heart was looking, I moved on and I just took those same exact eyeshadows and just blended them next to the lighter portion of the heart. I'd usually do a reverse blend and start with the darker color, but for this look I really wanted to have a little bit more control, so I did the opposite. For this specific style, less is more, so you really want to just gradually build those eyeshadows up. Once you're happy with how that blend is looking, you can move on to cutting your crease. So I just used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer and a flat and fluffy brush. I'll definitely do a separate video on how to cut your crease, but next up you're going to grab that lighter pink shade and place it in line with where you've placed the darker colors in your crease. So you're basically just repeating exactly what you did on your crease on your eyelid. You just make sure that you're doing it really slowly, that you're building those eyeshadows up gradually. I find if you just add too much of the dark eyeshadow when you're doing a look like this, you can just end up with a mess. Once you're happy with how your blend is looking, you can go ahead and add some eyeshadow to your lower lash line as well as a highlighter to your inner corner and your brow bone. The last step would be popping on some mascara and a pair of lashes, and you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.